Now the quote is ready to send to the customer. I advise opening the quote preview before you send it. From the drop-down here, select Open Quote, and a new tab will open on your browser where you can check everything is in order. When everything looks good, come back up to the drop-down and choose Email to Customer. If it's grayed out, then you will need to edit the quote and assign the customer. Now that the customer is assigned to the quote, we can send it. Once the customer has given the thumbs up, you can export the quote download. This contains the parts and a CSV containing the quote data. Open the CSV. Everything here is pretty much self-explanatory. The secondary process data is here on the far right. Using the additional option under this drop-down, I would advise marking the quote as ordered, or if the customer declines the quote, mark it as lost. This is great to keep track of your win-loss ratio, but if it's not something you want to do, then that's fine too. Now that was a complete end-to-end run-through on 2D parts that had no issues. Let's do another quote with common issues you would be familiar with and sort them out using Drawing Doctor. I've uploaded 3 parts, all of them have issues, and we can see the problems here. Yes, we could calculate them as is, but this will skew the pricing. It's quick and easy to fix them, but if you aren't concerned with some of the issues, you can still calculate them. It's totally up to you. Let's fix this one first. It has center and countersink marks that are not cut, so we don't need them. The quickest way to delete them is to use the Open Inners tool here. You could select them and delete them, but we are about saving you time, so use the tools available. Once the Open Inners are removed, we need to extract both parts. From the tab here, and select all parts. We now have 2 separate parts. This drawing has had the info table left on, easily fixed. Select the part, you will see it pulse. Right-hand click and choose Delete Parts outside selected. Job done. The last file here has been supplied with all parts nested. The quickest way to extract each individual part is to select Extract All Parts in Drawing here. Once you have the individual parts, you can use the original CAD button to see the thickness and quantity, then click back on the cut path. Assign the quantity and material. Oh, and you can also rename the part here.